Hello everyone, I am Garv Garg. I have scored All India rank 192 this year. My optional was history and I have given 3 attempts. In my first attempt, I have cleared prelims but failed in mains by 10 marks. The strategy which I took in that year was to limit my resources. Do not look for other resources which are too lengthy or too factual. I tried to give as many marks in these 3 attempts. I have given around 120 to 150 marks in each attempt and tried to do PYQs thrice before each prelims. In the first attempt, I used to do those PYQs not as a mock, but to understand things from them, to read from the options. For example, Catalonia, Donbass, Pennar, Gandikota Canyon. I used to read about them and think what could be the questions that could UPSC ask around those places and around those themes. Next, in the 2024 attempt, I'm sorry, I beg your pardon. In the 2003 to 23 mains, I focused more on answer writing, but I think I lacked the conceptual clarity. I think I could have more clarity as far as optional is concerned. I did not even have paper 2 notes by August or July end, and paper was scheduled to be held in September. And thus I think I lagged in optional, and it was one of the major reason why I was not able to clear the 2023 mains. I failed it by 10 marks. I scored around 236 in that year in that optional. In 2024 prelims, I failed it by 0.9. In that attempt, I realized that the conceptual clarity was there, but I think I attempted very less questions which need to be attempted. I scored around only 75 questions. Thus, in this attempt, I tried to score around 84 questions with around 80% accuracy, so that I do not have to stick around 95 range where I do not have the clarity to start preparing mains or not. Thus, in this attempt, I got around 105 point something in prelims this year. CSAT was never a problem for me. Even in 2023, which was one of the most difficult CSAT exam I have ever seen, I have scored around 89 odd marks, and in 2024 I scored around 127. Thus, I think I have never prepared for CSAT per se. I have only given PYQs, that too only maths questions, not even paragraph, unseen passages questions, reading comprehension. In this attempt, in this mains, I tried to do more number of essays, write more essays, bring quality in them, bring value addition, use AI, whether it is asking for summaries of movies or books. For example, Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, Sun Tzu's Art of War, I have quoted them multiple times. If I talk about the optional, I have stuck to one standard source that is most popular in the market, and have tried to write as many answers by trying to include more value added material and drawing more diagrams. Credit to this, I have got around 159 in paper 1 and 159 in paper 1 and 129 in paper 2, making it a very good score in history optional as far as this year is concerned, because the paper was slightly on the difficult side and the questions were ambiguous. If I talk about the help of ForumIAS, I have been a part of MGP++ with content classes in 2022, where it helped me prepare my GS2 and GS3 notes, which I use extensively in 23 attempt only. And I scored decently in both the exams. In my first attempt in GS2, I scored 114. In that year, it was one of the highest. Yes, it was on the higher side in that year. Those notes have been with me since the day I stand here, and they have been really special for me. I have added more things by searching on the internet, but they are still my base material. In this year's attempt, I have taken MGP plus between prelims and mains, and I've tried to give each and every paper with utmost sincerity, and I think the results are in front of you. Thank you very much.